Wymo's solution for hyperlocal service management can help you deliver the right on-site support to your customers rapidly and productively. Here's a demo of how it works. Say your customer requests a servicing assistance. Instantly, Wymo's allocation algorithms reads the request and auto-suggests the closest support provider. This is done by matching the service type, availability of the service provider, and proximity to the incident location. You could add further parameters to this algorithm, say customer ratings of the service provider, or limit the number of requests to be sent to specific providers in a particular time period. On allocation, the service provider receives an instant notification with details of the customer and the location. From now on, all interactions between the service provider and the customer are automatically logged. For example, has the provider called the customer within 60 seconds? If not, the provider gets a notification to do so. Or say the customer missed a call from the provider, in which case the customer receives a SMS notifying him that support is on the way. The customer also receives a link where he can view where the service provider is and how long it will take for it to reach him. On reaching the customer location, the provider's application detects a GPS match automatically and prompts the provider to update the status. Similarly, when the provider is leaving the emergency location, he can update the ticket status with a single click. In turn, your operations team can view overall statistics like time to respond, time to first call, time to get to the support location, and time to close a ticket, all in real time. You can also see a range of other analytics on your responsiveness, productivity, and provider performance. For example, what is the response time for services of different nature? Or for different providers in a certain locality. You can also compare the productivity of various teams and individuals across locations and time periods. If you now think about it, all of this happened without the need for any manual intervention or reporting. Vymo uses several algorithms in the back end to make operational decisions like ticket allocation, exception reporting, etc. Also, we use the phone as a sensor in the front end to determine the status of a ticket. And the customer is kept in the loop throughout the process, so he knows that help is on the way. It is these design principles that can help you crash your customer response time and keep your promise of immediate assistance and 100% customer satisfaction.